In this video, we will be discussing the Kind E-1000UV whole house water filter with ultraviolet disinfection protection. The simplest, most versatile, and easiest to maintain whole house system on the market today. The Kind E-1000UV is the best cartridge-based whole house water filter for your home, providing both whole house water filtration and UV protection. Experience better than bottled water quality from every tap throughout your entire home while safeguarding your family against a wide array of bacteria and viruses that may be present in your water supply. The unfortunate truth is our infrastructure is not what it used to be, and neither is our confidence for municipalities to provide us with clean, safe water. This is why the Kind E-1000UV system is so important and is the ultimate choice in protecting you and your family. Our Kind E-1000UV is a multi-stage system addressing sediment, contaminants, bacteria, and viruses. First, a 20-inch 5-micron pleated sediment filter eliminates particles of dirt, sand, silt, clay, rust, and other debris, filtering down to 20 times smaller than the size of a human hair. Our premium pleated filter technology allows the filter to be cleaned up to 4 times if needed prior to replacing. Next, our carbon filter utilizes the most advanced technology in whole house water filtration available today. Its high-performance catalytic activated coconut carbon solid block filter technology addresses chlorine, chloramines, lead, pharmaceuticals, PFOAs, PFASs, pesticides, herbicides, and hundreds more. Say goodbye to dry, itchy skin and damaged hair from the harsh chlorine and chemicals in your water. Finally, our premium UV system kills 99.99% of bacteria such as E. coli, Cryptosporidium, Giardia, and more without the use of harmful chemicals. Have peace of mind knowing that you will have worry-free water in any situation with our easy-to-use system. The E-1000UV is the ultimate whole house water filtration system, giving you the best protection and peace of mind for your family. The Kind E-1000UV was designed to be one of the easiest systems on the market to install and maintain. The system comes with everything you need to get started. It's only 4 connections. Our compact system is wall-mounted for easy maintenance and saves you valuable floor space. Filter changes only take a few minutes and require no additional tools. The 5-micron pleated sediment filter, carbon block filter, and UV lamp are easily replaced once a year for optimal performance. We also offer a convenient auto-ship program with discounted replacements. Kind water systems are the ultimate in performance and quality and come with a lifetime warranty and 120-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our water filter experts, together with our best-in-class customer service team, are available to answer any questions you may have. Join the thousands who've discovered why better water is easy with Kind Water.